Hello, I'm creating these videos for my students. If you are looking for Revit training, please contact me in WhatsApp or in LinkedIn chat, or you can directly call me on my number. Thanks for watching my video. Let's continue. Today we are going to discuss about rule-based filter in Revit. Okay. In the visibility graphics, if you type VG in the keyboard, otherwise if you select from View, Visibility Graphics, and in the last right hand side you can see filters. So what you see here is the rule based filter. I'm going to show you how this works. So here I have already made one filter rule, and let me show you how to create this filter rule. Okay, for example, I'm going to take this wall type. Generic 300 mm is the type name. I want to show them in a red color. Then what I can do is I can directly select all the elements, and I can right click override graphics in view by element, and I can change the color. Okay, I can change the color here. Otherwise you can create a rule based filter to group these walls, and you can give graphic settings. Okay, I'm going to show you how. I'm typing VG in my keyboard, and I'm going to filters here, and here you can see all document filters are defined and modified here. So here we can create and modify here. Let's click here, edit new, and here in the left side you will see the list of filters. Two types of filters are there: rule based filter and selection filters. Selection filters you can see, but you can't create anything. So in this window you can create only rule based filters. I have created another video to show how to create selection filters. Please watch that video. Here we are continuing with rule based filters. Okay, I'm going to create a new filter. It's a filter rule name. Okay, let's say wall in red, and I'm going to say okay, and you can see this name is getting added to the rule based filter list. Okay, and here you should select the categories. Here you can read select one or more categories to be included in the filter. Let's add wall category to the filter. Okay, and here in the right side you can see this is where you have to mention your filter rules. Okay, so here you have two options. You can say all rules must be true, or you can say any rule may be true. Okay, so here already it is showing one rule. If you want to add second rule, third rule, you can add here. If you want to remove rules, you can remove from here, but you should have at least one rule. And if you want to add to set, you can add. For now I'm going to keep it simple, so I'm going to clear this set. Okay, here it is showing the category name, and here it will show the common parameters which is available with the selections. So here I'm going to take type name, and I'm going to set the rule to equals generic 300 mm. So that's our type name of this wall. Okay, and I'm going to say okay, and I have to add them here. So let's go to add button, and here you can find the name and give okay. Now you can see this is getting added here. Okay, now so this is getting added here. So here you can see you can enable or disable the filter rule, or you can keep the filter visible or not visible, and you can change the colors here. Okay, for now I'm just going to change the color only. Let's change the color to red. Okay, and I'm going to say okay, and you can see here the wall color changed now. If you want to hide these walls, go to visibility graphics, go to filters. Here you can see visibility. If you uncheck this, and you see those walls are hidden. I'm going to visibility graphics again. Let's enable the visibility again and say OK. In case if you want to remove this filter rule, you can go to visibility graphics and select filters, and here you don't have to remove the filter rule, you can just disable the filter rule. Okay, check here and say OK. You can see in the visibility graphics the filter rule is there, but it's not enabled. Okay, that's all for the day. I hope now you have understood how to create a rule based filter in Revit. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.